I am back in the Gap, and usually Gap Creek Coffee House and Cafe is my first stop. It's not going to be my first stop today. I'm going to make it my last stop because it's kind of busy, and I don't like to record people that, you know, don't want me to, and I'm not going to ask everybody. So, yeah, let's do some hiking. Look at that coloring. Beautiful. That is beautiful. It's like, wow, those colors. This is the Daniel Boone Wilderness Trail. Sorry I'm shaky, but it's cold. Gateway to Cane Tuck. And hiking in the Gap. And they have these restrooms. So let's make us a little pit stop before we hike. It rained this morning, so the ground's still a little soggy. That's okay. It's cold, but it's not that cold. So we can do this today. Well, look how pretty. And there's still a few little flowers left. Here we are where the road forks, and you can go up to the cave that way, or down this way on Wilderness Road Trail. Last time I was here, I went this way on Wilderness Road Trail, but wasn't able to go a long way because I didn't have time. Well, today I've got time, so let's go. And there's the bridge from last time. And I walked just a few feet down the road there to where it curves And that's when I had to turn back. But we're going all the way this time. Can you imagine that after a big rain? And into the forest we are going. And remember, never stray from the path.
Don't stray from the path, girl. Did you not hear what I told you? Once you stray from the path, you're lost entirely.
And it's right here where I stopped last time and turned back. But we are going to go forward. Oh, and it looks like the road forks down here. Which way to go? So here's what choices we have. Which way am I going to go? Over to Iron Furnace in the town of Cumberland Gap? Or that way to... Yeah, and there's a lot of people out today. I don't know which way to go. So I'm going this way, back down toward Iron Furnace and the town of Cumberland Gap. Because I've already been to the Tri-State Peak and those other places. So I'm gonna go this way. Okay, I know exactly where I am because I remember in a video I filmed this and I was wondering if it was where an old house used to be, right here. So yes, I know exactly where I'm at now. It's awesome that it circles around this way and all the trails connect. You know, it is so relaxing to get out in the forest and just walk around. Just does us so good. Especially with these fall colors. And it's not going to last too much longer. Oh, then everything's going to be gray and colorless. But for right now, it's awesome. I'm telling you, here in Cumberland Gap, there are so many trails and so much to do. You could stay here for a week and not do everything and take every trail. That's why I keep coming back here. And there is Cyril the squirrel. I keep getting these little chipmunks and these little squirrels crossing the road. But I never can get it on video. Oh. Here, doggy. Warrior's Path. My stomach is growling. I have not eaten anything this morning, and I didn't stop at the Gap Creek Coffee House like I should have, but it was very busy, so thought I was going to do that last. Wow. You know, you're looking down at the path, and you hardly ever look up. But wow. And there's a big boulder just, you know, standing there. Okay. Getting close to Iron Furnace here, and I keep hearing water. I hope that is not rain. Oh, please let it not be rain. Let it be a river or a creek. But not rain, please. I'm awfully far away from the car. Okay, and here is Iron Furnace. The Iron Furnace. And yes, it was water, thank goodness. It was not rain. It's very low. So watch your head. So this means we're close to Gap Creek Coffee House. And a little fence. Like the old timers used to do. And this brings us to the end. This is the parking lot down here in town, where you can go up to Iron Furnace and up to the Tri-State Peak and all that. So we're going to end right here with a little babbling brook. See you guys later. Hey, thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. You mean the world to me. See you later. Bye.